Hey, I'm Melissa Cookston, and I got this beautiful package in today, so let's see what's inside. I have to have a step stool for this one. It is from the BBQ Allstars. It's the only place you can go and get barbecue from all kinds of people. I want to show you the packaging. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to open up the butcher paper and see what somebody sent me. Well, the first thing I see is I have all kinds of rubs and sauces to go with my delicious barbecue. Look at this. Isn't that nifty? So each individual Pitmasters barbecue comes with their rub and sauce. Because we know you like condiments, Tuffy Stone's rub. So you might want to sprinkle some of his rub on his pork. I'm an extra kind of girl. So first I have some pork belly bites. Can't wait to get into those. I have Malcom Reed's pulled pork that I can compare I'm maneuvering around dry ice here with Myron Mixon's pulled pork. So we're going to have a contest between Malcom and Myron. Sounds good, right? Then I've got a huge slab of ribs from yours truly. Wow, this box is packed. Somebody really loves me. 17th Street ribs. Heath's ribs. Malcom's ribs. This is gonna be a great contest. And Tuffy's ribs. Awesome. So I get to have a contest between Tuffy, Malcom, Heath, 17th Street, and yours truly to see whose ribs are really the best. Where else can you go and get all these great Pitmasters barbecue shit all in one box? And it's a great gift, or hey, we'll do the cooking for you. You sit back and relax. TheBBQAllstars.com.